Remove those ugly dark patches on the neck, underarms and inner thighs in 15 minutes. Ladies, would you like to learn a simple trick which will help you eliminate those annoying dark spots on your neck, inner thighs and underarms in less than 15 minutes? If yes, then please read on. As we said, in this video we are going to show you how to make the most powerful and most effective homemade remedy which will help you get rid of the dark patches on your neck, underarms and inner thighs. You can do that in less than 15 minutes. Sounds great, right? According to the experts, the aging process and the sun exposure are the two main causes of dark discoloration on the neck. Other causes are diabetes, genetics, polycystic ovary syndrome, poor hygiene and sudden weight loss or weight gain. You probably already know that there are many natural remedies to reduce the discoloration of the skin around the neck. To get rid of these problems, people usually use over-the-counter products, which are chemical-based products. We all know that they can be dangerous in some cases. These products actually show temporary results and can be very expensive. This is why you should try natural products to get rid of these aesthetic problem forever. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon baking soda. Directions: it's very simple. Mix all the ingredients in a container until you get a homogeneous mixture and apply this mixture on the affected area. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. That's it. For whitening, mix clay and milk. When they're mixed, squeeze the lemon juice into the mixture and mix well. Apply this mixture on the same place where you've applied the above recipe. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Useful tips: always use sunscreen when you're going out in the sun. Consume foods that are rich in vitamin E. Drink plenty of water. Use extra virgin olive oil, sea salt and skim milk for the remedy mentioned above. You can also add a bit of coconut oil in the mixture. Use this remedy 3 times a week.